Okay, here at the bus station, we are trying to grab a bus outside of the city to Ramboda Falls because there is a lot to do here in Nuwara Eliya, inside and outside of the city. So here we are, just trying to find it. I think it's like 45 minutes and then a little bit of a hike. A little confusing trying to find the bus. We got on one and now, well, keep asking around. You'll eventually find it. It can be a bit confusing, but people are helpful here. Hopped off inside the road. And now we are gonna ask where to go. Figure this out. It was about a 45-minute, very curvy bus ride to get here. Got a little dizzy, so I didn't film, but absolutely beautiful ride here through the mountains. Very nice way. Can't be in this area without exploring some tea fields. So we're walking from the waterfall, I think 1.5 kilometers to Bluefield Tea Factory, and we're gonna go try some tea and check out the process.
Week sun drying, silver, 2-week sun drying.
Walking around the tea fields, checking it out. Nice sunset.